and it out of, you have a clothes and it out of style. Them say, where she get that old Corouches there from?
Our country nice, you know. The country nice. I live where others vacation. Wagwan this and that family, welcome back to the channel. Of course, this is your girl Trisha. If you're new to the channel, you know what to do, right? Like, share, subscribe, comment, and hit the post notification bell. Now guys, you know that Jamaicans have one of the most colorful language. When I say colorful, I mean colorful. So today we are going to look on some words. Morning. We are going to look on some words where these words are originated in Jamaica. And if you hear them, a Jamaica then come from. Are you ready? Alright. So we are going to try to talk about the meaning of these words, doing that if we can explain the meaning. Ready? Ready? Alright. So the first word that I have today is the word Tufenke. Now in Jamaica, if somebody call you Tufenke, is it a good thing? Hold on. Them what you tell them.
In Jamaica, you feel like dirt.
If somebody call you Tufenke,
Yeah.
it's a really bad
thing.
Yeah, man, it means like you turn good for nothing.
Nothing. You're not coming to nothing. So they just say, leave him a Tufenke. Just like that.
Just like that.
Just like
So, the next word is Chaka-chaka.
Oh.
I want a good one that?
No.
Wait, let me see how we can use Chaka-chaka in one sentence. What a way the place look Chaka-chaka. Tell us what it means.
It means the place want to tidy up, want to get together because it's out. It's messy.
Yes.
Not kept.
Chaka-chaka.
The word is chaka-chaka. Get it?
Alright, this here one here now. That one here funny, you know. Batta ears.
Batta ear. I never heard that one.
You never hear that one before? Alright. Alright, this is how I hear batta ears. Like me hear somebody say, "Children girl, that's only could batta ears, man." And I don't think it's a good term at all. Batta ears mean like worthless. You know, somebody who is not striving for anything good, somebody who lives like a kind of low life, they call them batta ears. So she said she never hear that one, but me hear it. Quiet, only call batta ears. Alright, next one, let's move on. Next word, Corouches.
Holy Jesus.
She said, holy Jesus. Wait, hold on, tell me what I mean.
When I say Corouches, first time when it's like nowadays I want to get the right word. Like if you wear this style and it out of, you have a clothes and it out of style. Them say, where she get that old Corouches there from? You know, some modern time now, where she get that? She gone.
You know, say me never know say really that Corouches mean. So you are wearing Corouches? Are you wearing Corouches? Hey! Let's move on to the next word. Ready? The next word is Fenke-fenke. Now in a Jamaica, if somebody tell us you're Fenke-fenke, comment below and let me know if you know what it means. What does it mean if somebody say you are Fenke-fenke?
Fenke-fenke, but to me, I believe it's like you're not strong. You know, you're kind of weak. When you're doing anything, you're weak, you're not strong.
Weaky. Yes, man. So you say use Fenke-fenke in a sentence.
The girl is not weak.
No.
The girl is not strong. He's so weak.
You move too Fenke-fenke for me, man. Me can't go with you. You move too Fenke-fenke. You move too feeble.
What them say? The man feeble, he make him one.
Yeah, Fenke-fenke. Aye, you nice today, man. Boy, nice, bad. Wonder if she gone down so. Anyways, guys, next one is Cunu-munu. What Cunu-munu mean? Comment below and tell me if you know what Cunu-munu. Cunu-munu is something like Fenke-fenke and I don't. What that Cunu-munu mean? Alright, so I think Cunu-munu mean that you're kind of weaky and look maga and feeble. Yeah, Cunu-munu, you walk one certain way and I just look weak. Yes, that is Cunu-munu. Yes. Alright, moving on from Cunu-munu now. Next one now is Bugu-yaga. I wonder what Bugu-yaga mean. Oh! Bugu-yaga when you just fling things like you just do it anyhow.
You don't care.
You don't care. Yes.
So anything you do it. You don't care, you don't really care. Bugu-yaga, you just walk and talk anyhow.
Yes. And that it mean. Normally me hear people say, me no in a no Bugu-yaga business, you know. That mean you want it
themselves together.
right. You want the thing to refine. It must just fling down and just look so. No Bugu-yaga thing.
Dress properly, you know, dress in a out of fashion and you know carry yourself and you Bugu-yaga.
Right. No Bugu-yaga thing. Next word is Degge-degge. What that mean? Lord of mercy. You know, so I use Degge-degge in my class, but I'm gonna ask these lovely ladies, what does Degge-degge mean?
Just one picnic me I have, you know. Just one Degge-degge picnic me I have. That's what I think said.
Most of the times when we use Degge-degge when we are talking about one, not true?
Just
Yes.
one picnic me I have.
One. Degge-degge one. So the thing said. So in my classroom when I'm teaching number work, when I'm teaching the numeral one and I want the children to get it, I normally do this dub. One Degge-degge one. One Degge-degge one. And the children, they will laugh because they really love the word Degge-degge. So this is the One Degge-degge channel, you know, no better like, share, and subscribe, you know.
So the thing said.
Wait, hold on, more Miss Becky said that.
Thing said.
Yes. So this our next term that you know. Next word is Cumoogin.
Cumoogin.
A Cumoogin?
Yes.
Cumoogin, you hear there? May I get correction? So the word is Cumoogin. Me always hear you use like you're too Cumoogin. I wonder what it mean when somebody said that.
When a person mean, you know, selfish, all things to themselves. They just want to get things just for themselves. They don't like to share. That is part of Cumoogin. Just keep yourself to yourself. You know, associate with people. Anywhere you go, you just keep yourself in a like a corner. That's what we always term it as Cumoogin. Cumoogin.
Corouches, when somebody say you're Cumoogin, what I mean?
You Cumoogin, like you do things and hide, like you just say you don't do things and hide your hand.
Yes, so you're kind of mean, not true?
Cumoogin, you know what I mean? You will do things and say you don't do it. Alright, you know, do things and hide your hand. That's how me look funny. Cumoogin, you're bad, but you're going like you're good.
Yes, yes.
That kind of a thing.
We don't hear it though. We don't hear it. So don't go on to Cumoogin, you know. Don't go on to Cumoogin. So just few words left. The next word is Zutipek. Whoever here they say no Zutipek, they say Utipek. What that mean? Wait, what that mean? What Utipek mean? I like one very not nice person. Yes. But if somebody call you Utipek, you're really not nice. So guys, guess what? We are out, these lovely ladies, we are actually out on a day pass and I'm learning so much from them. Cause me always say Zutipek and now me learn say a Utipek. You can't believe it, guys.
old to learn.
Never too old to learn. Don't be a utipek. Don't be a zutipek. Alright? Guys, the last word is Mampi. And in Jamaica, if somebody call you Mampi,
Big.
you're big.
Overweight.
Over here there. Fat.
Yes.
Boy, in Jamaica, we not easy, you know. We are not a easy people. We have a word for everything.
Yes.
Can you imagine looking at somebody and call them Mampi? Don't do it. Anyways, guys, this is where we're going to close out the video. Thank you so much for joining. Jamaican this, Jamaican that. You want to learn how Jamaican chat? Bye. See you in our next lit video. Go ahead and leave a comment.
Bye. Bye.
Rough sea, guys. Rough sea. Watch there. Up on Bob Marley.